How to access Audible Plus Catalog. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can access Audible Plus Catalog. This is how to go about it. The first step is to open the Audible application on your device and then sign in with your Amazon account. So once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, you can see the different audiobooks that you can listen to and different things that you can do with your Audible account. And the next thing, for you to be able to access the Audible Plus catalog, you would have to upgrade your membership from a free member to the Premium Plus member. And how do you do so? Go to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. So for me, I've already upgraded my account to Premium Plus, as you can see here. And by clicking on View Account, I have access to the entire Plus catalog, and I can stream and browse thousands of audio books, podcasts, and Audible originals. So for you, if you're not yet on this plan, just click on Manage Membership, and then you can see membership details, and from here you'll be able to upgrade your account from the free version to the premium version. And then after upgrading your account, you have access to the Audible Plus catalog as a whole, where you can check out different audiobooks, amazing audiobooks, and you can browse and stream as many as you can. So this is how you can access Audible Plus catalog. Thank you for watching and have a good day.